Hello and welcome to this introduction video. Today, uh, I'm going to introduce the concrete and steel column package in Abaqus. Here, click on title or blue sign, then you will have the title, Introduction to Concrete and Steel Columns, and then the definition of the concrete columns, key features, material, model or composition, concrete reinforcement, type of the concrete column, reinforcement concrete column, precast concrete, pre-stressed concrete column, and anything that you need to know. Then the advantages of the concrete column, and then the steel columns here, the material model or the type of the steel column like H section, I section, hollow structure section, and then the advantages. And here we have a comparison between concrete and steel column here as the feature, here as strength, weight, construction speed, durability, fire resistance, and cost. And then the application of both here, concrete and steel, and this is a conclusion of the above statement. Here you can see some figures of the model in the package. It is some figure, not all. For instance, here we have cyclic loading of the concrete column with a steel I-shaped beam reinforced with composite, exterior composite under cyclic loading. Then here another compression test, seal explosion, cyclic loading. Here we have concrete steel column with a stiffener under cyclic loading. Here is the open leg steel column, and then the concrete column with bolt connection, steel column with foundation, and anything. Here you can see this is the blast analysis, and you can see many figures here of the result of some of the model in the package. Here the concrete material model and steel. Typically we use concrete damage model, but here in this package, we use some other model like Helmquist, Johnson-Helmquist model like Brittle, like CDP. And for steel, we use various of the model as elastic plastic plus damage model. So if you want to learn all things about the steel and concrete column, you can use this package. The package contains 25 separate model or tutorials containing and each tutorial includes the IMP code, paper, reference of the material, step-by-step English video, everything. And here you can uh, see the title of the models in the package. You can see 25 titles. The price of this package is 82 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact us at this email here to tell you more about the content of the package, the download links, the payment process, everything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.